I've always been interested in taste and flavor. I wanted to be in an industry where I could make a big mark. My original experience with coffee was just like caffeine, a beverage to keep me awake. It wasn't really about taste or flavor. I had an amazing experience visiting some coffee shops in Seattle, and also my uncle who was very interested in coffee. And those kind of coalesced into sort of getting a bit curious about, I wonder if it can taste better. Ultimately, that kind of attracted myself and Sebastian. We graduated together in the year 2000. We worked as engineers for 7 years, and we kind of more or less went through this journey together, and we started traveling to Coffee Origin. We built our own custom roaster. There's all these things we did to sort of continue to go down the rabbit hole of what it could be. But I'm still to this day very attracted to the potential. It's like, wow, it's great how it is, but actually the potential is enormous, and we haven't even scratched the surface. A combination of being attracted to the potential of what it could be, being attracted to the challenge of doing it was actually a big part of it. If it was easy, I don't think I would have been interested. I think potential is very attractive. I think any entrepreneur is basically lit up by the idea of potential. It's like, I have this idea, it's so great, it has the potential to be amazing. That potential is kind of where all that energy comes from.
I used to work with Phil and Sebastian coffee roasters, so they brought me here today to just help out with making sure that we're getting great quality coffee for everybody who's here at Collision, to kind of keep the caffeine rolling through them as they see all these wild exhibits. Tech doesn't happen without caffeine, we all know that. But I think it's really nice to just have something kind of warm and delicious to have as you're moving through, because a lot of times at events like this, you're kind of like in this information overload. So to just have a moment to like sit and have a cup of coffee, I think is just so helpful.
I think coffee is a lot more sustainable, and so I see a lot of booths attracting people with coffee, and the fact that you've actually chosen someone local, I think is pretty great, and I think it's a testament to your innovative thinking.
This is what I want customers to experience. I want them to enjoy their coffee, of course I do, but I also want them to have this like rediscovery of coffee, to say, wow, there's so much more to it. I didn't realize that it could be so interesting, so nuanced. Even if coffee is a minor part of their day, if they're enjoying that more and they're having a new experience and they're kind of saying, wow, this is really just so great, I didn't even know it existed.